In this video, you're gonna watch the latest technology news and the tech update for the week. Hey guys, welcome back to another tech update. This is Avneet Singh and you're watching Tech Milestone. Cactus Communications acquires a Denmark-based company for its AI technology to boost the future. Next one's from the Fossil. Fossil has launched all new HR hybrid smartwatches for you guys. PUMA on the other hand has launched a smartwatch as well. So what do you feel about the smartwatches? Let me know in the comments below. Next one, we have the major discussion of this week. It was the Union Budget 2020. So the budget focused on making a newer GST slabs and systems. So let's check out few of the views from various people and various brands upon the Union Budget. The first one is from eJory. eJory believes that what the Union Budget has has been a major good point for the startups and other digital revolution in India. Panasonic India's chairman and the chairperson believes on the other hand that yes, this Union Budget is gonna help the startups and MSMEs in India for the robust growth of small businesses and technologies. Medical Wala on the other hand praises the Union Budget but states that the government needs to bring in better policies for the growth of the sector. So what do you think about the Union Budget of this year and what about the GST slabs and all? Let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna check out your Union Budget views so that we can analyze what the Union Budget has made a finance minister's decision the right way or the wrong way and how it's gonna affect the Indian economy. So next we have from this camera manufacturers. Fujifilm launches a brand new office in Bangalore to expand out its placements and startup and promote employment all over the country with its new office in Bangalore. Amazon India on the other hand showcases the Echo Show 8. Yes, Echo Show 8 has been launched at a price of 12,999 exclusively on Amazon.in to make your Alexa friendly devices much more better and work much better. Alexa again announced that the most listened song of 2019 was the Lamborghini, the song that made into the hearts of the people so that it was played one of the most times in India for the year that ended 2019. And yes, let's look forward to 2020. Sony's most popular Dolby Atmos sound has been announced that yes, Dolby will be launching a home theater powered by Dolby at a price of 14,990 so that you can buy and experience Dolby sound at your home with the home theater. We have more news for you. POCO has officially launched the POCO X2 for you guys exclusively on Flipkart, and it's available starting at the price point of 15,999 for the base variant, that's 6 plus 64 GB variant, coupled up with a 120Hz display. It is IPS LCD panel powered by a battery backup of 4,500 mAh battery. So and has a 64 megapixel Sony IMX656 camera sensor coupled up with the similar cameras that we see on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. If you haven't seen my review of the camera on Redmi Note 8 Pro, go to the link out here and watch out the Redmi Note 8 Pro camera review. Also, we have a news from Realme that Realme has officially launched the Realme C3, a powerful device packed up with MediaTek G70 processor. More in this week, we have that the Redmi and Samsung are gonna make two launches this upcoming week, and it's gonna be covered right here in the next tech episode. Till then, goodbye, see you guys, and I hope you give this video big fat thumbs up. Comment below what you feel about all these product launches and the tech update that we had today. Undoubtedly the more focus was on the Union Budget this week, but next week it's gonna be much more videos coming out and new devices launching next week. So see you guys in the next episode of Tech Update. Till then, goodbye.